Welcome back to our new video. In this video, we're going to talk about Java assignment operator. You will watch some operators videos in the next few playlist video lists because the operator list is very important in Java, either in C++ language. Okay, let's talk about the assignment operator. This operator is very important and this is very simple for you. You will know very easily just with a few examples. I'm gonna create a new file Java. Okay, let's write public class main. Okay, let's save it. Java. I will give a name like main dot job. So as you know, the file name must be same with the main class name. I have created a class. Now to write a method, we are writing public. Okay, here's a small problem. If you see here, I have written now. Okay, you see here. If you see here in this part, the first thing that we're gonna do is let's just give a value to variable. For example, I'm just defining an integer value. The value name should be a, and a is value is like 5. Okay, I define a value. The value is integer, and its value is 5. Okay, now to print it, system dot out dot print a. Okay, let's run and compile it. Now you see its value is 5. Okay, we know its value is 5. But the assignment operator benefit is here that just I'm changing the a's value with the same value plus I want to add something from the same value. I want to subtract something from the same value. I want to multiplicate with this value. I can do many operators. So here is a list of assignment operators. This list you can see all the operators from equation until the addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and other operations. So if you want to learn and practice them, you can search them one by one. Here I don't want to use all of them because it take a little bit time, so I will use all just for this time the four first main operation: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So you can try it and practice with yourself. Plus 2. So what do you think? What will be the value of a right now? You know, this is equal to, like, a is equal to a plus 2. This is the meaning the same. A is equal to its value plus 2. The same thing if you write like integer a multiplicate a 3. Cool. It means that a value is right now the same value minus 3. It means that is equal to a minus 3. Okay, to know well, let's copy this out here. I wanna print it the first time here, after time here, and after it here. So let's multiplicate it. A its value is its value with like 4. Okay. Now this is meaning that A's value is equal to A multiplicate 4. Okay. It means this thing. So let's print it again. Now let's just write the other thing. A equal to is equal to just 3. Okay. Now you will know better than now. Let's change the value of integer to double because during multiplication now bulky what with the division its value may be changed to a double. Here you see all multiplication. Thank you very much.